the FEARTICKET video tutorial. In this video, we'll see how we can scan the ticket. Click on QR code, Settings, select the ticket, scan the ticket. It shows date-time mismatch because we are scanning the ticket before the selected time slot. Once you click on Yes, it shows the ticket and its add-on scan status as well as the ticket details. Let's assume ticket is scanned one time and you are scanning that ticket again. It shows duplicate. FEARTICKET scanning, this feature will help you to stop duplicate entries in your event. In some cases, it may possible that a particular ticket or the order is cancelled and you scan that ticket. Then what happened? Let's see. Click on QR code, select the ticket or the add-on that you want to scan. It shows cancelled because that particular ticket or the add-on or the whole order is cancelled. Let's assume that you want to scan general admission ticket, but by mistake you have scanned VIP ticket. Let's see what happened. When you scan the ticket, it shows invalid ticket. Ticket is not selected for scanning. FEARTICKET's this feature will help you to identify that you have selected wrong ticket instead of what you actually want to scan. Let's assume you are in haunted attraction event and by mistake you have scanned the ticket of another event. Let's see what happens. Select the ticket. It shows invalid ticket. Ticket is not selected for this event. That means this is not the correct ticket for Halloween attraction event. Let's assume that you do not want to scan the ticket before the particular date or time slot. For that, you can do a settings from FEARTICKET.com, and once it's done, and after that you scan the ticket first. Restricted, and the ticket is not scanned until the ticket's actual date and time slot.